Ever found a nail in your food? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Scenarios like these are unexpected hazards that could turn an ordinary day into a potential emergency. Accidentally ingesting nails is no laughing matter. The question is, how do you avoid this dangerous mishap? First step, always ensure your kitchen and dining area are nail-free zones. Keeping these spaces clean and free from foreign objects like nails is paramount. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about safety. Unforeseen dangers lurk in the unlikeliest of places, so make it a habit to thoroughly clean your cooking and dining areas before and after use. It's a simple step, but one that can save you from a world of discomfort. A clean space is a safe space. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Second step, always take a good look at your food before eating. It's essential to inspect what you're about to consume. This goes beyond just checking for spoilage or freshness. Be mindful, particularly when you're about to enjoy foods with complex textures or those that can easily conceal foreign objects. Small, sharp items like nails can hide in such foods, posing a risk. So, even in a casual snacking situation, keep your eyes open. Every bite matters. Take your time, enjoy your food, and stay safe. Third step, never put nails in your mouth when doing renovations. We've all been tempted to hold that extra nail in our mouths for convenience, but it's a dangerous habit to form. Instead, try using a nail apron or a magnetic wristband. These handy tools keep your nails secure and within reach, without the risk of accidental ingestion. Remember, renovations are about improving your space, not compromising your safety. So, keep those nails out of your mouth and in a safe place. Safety first, even when you're being handy. Avoiding a nail in your food or mouth is as simple as these 3 steps. Keep your kitchen clean, be mindful when eating, and steer clear of nails during renovations. Stay safe, stay alert, and remember, your health is in your hands.